Hello guys, and today we are going to do a toy tutorial. Then we can see here that foot that they are two toys. So we're gonna open. First one is Scootaloo and Pinkie Pie. So let's show it. We can see here that there's Pinkie Pie with all amazing stuff, and an oven. It comes with an oven and a Scootaloo. So here's Pinkie Pie and Scootaloo just saying haha, cute and magic, of course. Pinkie Pie and Scootaloo, Hasbro, age only 3. I don't care. I don't want to listen to their ugly faces. Oh God, sorry. So then we have a lot of things. It says Scootaloo, she has so much energy. And all the other languages. Pinkie Pie, she loves sweeties. Sweet. And this is, oh my God, Pinkie Pie, you look so scary. Just don't. So we're gonna, oh my God, what am I doing? Okay, we're going to just open this and I'm gonna be right back. So then we have Pinkie Pie. And what's going on here is that she has a same cutie mark, yeah. Wait, let me get my other Pinkie Pie and I'll show you, yeah. Here is mine. So, let me just, for your sake. Then we have a little bit changes, I think. So what's going on here is that I can see the skin color is a little bit off, you know. And see, not that same, but the eyes, they're same. But the color has changed. Yeah, now I have 2 Pinkie Pies, and they've kind of below what to do with this ugly thing. Okay, let's move on. So then we have Scootaloo, that is amazing. She has a lot of little wings. Don't scrape it off, then it's gonna, oh my God, her ears are so cute. Wow, I never had a little pony before. Wow, that's so cool. And then the other one thing is that the oven. You can place something in there. And yeah, you can't press any buttons anywhere. Something, but yeah, that's it. So I guess that's the tutorial of from this. Yeah. You'll like it if you see the next one. So moving on with the next one. So we got Cadence, some Celestia and Luna, and we got their dresses and everything, and yeah. And it says Crystal here, ages 3. All these ponies here. So we got all of these, and Celestia, she has a cutie mark, and she pink, but I don't care. She has a crown that is like how she is in the movie. I mean episodes, yeah. And her amazingness. And her cutie mark too. And her wings are shining like a bright girl. Cadence. She's going to be a little girl. So, okay, whatever. But her crown is pinky sign. So I guess yeah. Or I could just do something with her. Yeah. Or I could give it to someone. Yeah. Because I already have one. And the cutie mark is so amazing. And the wings are still shining. Bright as a bath. And then we got this. I'm going to show you what's inside. Luna. She has a blue crown and shining hair and wings that are shining. And her cutie mark. And yeah. And got clothes. Oh, see? Then we got this pin hair thingy. now I can show you this amazing thing that's inside here. You want to see? Here you go. What's inside here is that a thing, and a thing, and a necklace, and 2 more. If you hear that noise, that's my brother. So just mind him. He's doing his business. Yeah. And yeah, that's all, I guess. Tutorial. So I hope you enjoy and subscribe and